kids. We just did our warm-up. So before we move on to our 10-minute exercise, we are going to take our resting heart rate. Okay, so our resting heart rate is what our heart rate is when we are at rest, when our body is at rest and we haven't been running around or moving around a lot. Okay, so remember, you take these two fingers and you find your pulse right here on the side of your neck. It may not be going too fast because if you're resting, it's not pumping a lot of blood. Your heart is not pumping a lot of blood through your body, but it is there. It's always there. Even when you're asleep, it's beating because it's keeping you alive. So you find your pulse, okay? And you're going to start counting when I say go. And when I say stop, you're going to stop and you're going to remember that number that you counted, how many beats you felt, okay? So find your pulse, move your fingers around, okay? And I'm going to say go, and you're going to start counting, okay? Ready, and go. Stop. Okay, that number that you counted was how many beats you feel in 6 seconds. Okay, now 6 seconds, we want to know how many beats you feel in 60 seconds, which is a minute. So you take that number that you felt, which could have been about 6, 7, 8 maybe. How many beats did you feel in 6 seconds? Now to see how many beats you felt in 60 seconds, you multiply that number by 10 to find out how many beats you felt in 60 seconds. Now an easy way to multiply a number by 10 is just take that number. If you found the number 7 beats in that 6 seconds, if you counted to 7, now just put a 0 at the end of 7, and you have 70. So in 6 seconds, you have 7 beats, but in 60 seconds, you have 70 beats per minute, okay? 70 beats per minute, BPM, all right?